На здравието.
Що произошло? Ай кашляй, ай прай.
When they're old. Hang up the phone, Barkley. I'm taking you to the hole. I gotta call you back. Who's in your fake box?
Sebastian. Sebastian. Pray. Ana pray.
Brought to you by Chevy, an American Revolution. Universal Pictures comic adventure Land of the Lost, starring Will Ferrell, in theaters June 5th. Just the right taste that never fills you up. The difference is drink.
Sebastian.
Back in Los
Naprej.
Angeles, 89, 88. Today's episode provided by Good New Fuel Max tires. Get you there using less gas. Fuel Max. In a blowout. The Lakers will
Sebastian.
There's a question now. As Landry puts up a shot. And so the pessimist is this series may expose some weaknesses. Maybe will take its toll. Or you can look at it. This is about the series. For me, the way I look at it, I don't think the Lakers are going to be as inconsistent because